sorry, got cut off there. So after you post the annotated text, and then you want to post a 5-point explanation for why writers transgress and otherwise while writing, then we'll come back to the class. We'll have an interlude. We'll put it into the seminar discussion, and then if we have any time left, we'll begin workshop 2, which is how do both authors write in a transgressive style. So in that workshop, which you'll largely do on Thursday, uh, you want to talk about like how, what are they exactly doing, right? How do they do this, right? That would be the next step. Okay, so that's the basic assignment and how we're going to be doing it. Um, and now let me get into some, general reading app points that I'll do through the um, text themselves. So clicking the text here, right, I have an annotated version, my annotated version of Claudia Rankine's Citizen, American Lyric, right? So you see that I've highlighted, the title itself, right? So when I read, I'm just sort of highlighting things that, operate as keywords or metaphors or semiotic sort of codes or things I have questions about um, that seem to strike me, right? Um, usually start off with the title, and both these texts have interesting title. I think the thing here is the idea of a lyric about citizenship, about specifically American citizenship. So citizenship defined in a poetic fashion, not in the usual sort of constitutional or legal fashion. So that's a type of interesting move, sort of working against the grain in a counterintuitive way. So that's a nice little move, gets your attention, and that's why I highlighted it. And then here I've highlighted other things. Again, I like to sort of break down, sort of systematize or logicize, I guess I would say, the writer's text, especially a text like this, which is a transgressive text, which is sort of breaking the rules, if you want to say that about reading and writing, or writing and reading, I guess. So sort of like trying to sort of piece it back together, sort of deconstruct it, decode it. And so these are some of the types of moves that I do, and I like to use different colors to colorize the text a little bit.